Hi, Andarki Namaste. In this video, we are discussing about textbook page number 98, exercise 11.3. The first question is there are two cuboidal boxes as shown here, that means as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires a lesser amount of material to make? So we need to make the cuboid. So first of all, we need material. How much material we need? So the length, breadth is given. Here it is a length and it is a breadth and it is a height of the cuboidal boxes. See here given measurements are length is equal to length of a cuboidal box is equal to 60 centimeter and breadth is equal to 40 centimeter, height h is equal to 50 centimeter. We need to find the material. First of all, we need to find the surface area of a cuboid. Already you know the formula, total surface area, TSA of TSA means total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 of LH plus BH plus HL. LH plus BH plus HL. Already we had discussed yesterday on the formulas also. Now applying the values to L is 60 and H is 50. 60 into 50. Here is the plus and it is the into. Here it is the plus and the breadth. Breadth is 40 into height is 50 plus then again h 50 into L is 60. So difference of into and plus you observe here. We go. Now the calculation 2 6 5s are 30, that means 3000 plus 4 5s are 20, that means 2000 plus 5 6 are 30, that means 3000. See here, it is LB, BH, HL. So LB means it is 40. So 4s are 24, 2400 and 4 5s are 20, 2000, 5 6 are 30, 3000. Now addition to get 2000, 3000, 5000, 5000, 2400. So 2 into 7400. Now 2 multiplication, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14. Here it is centimeter, that is why centimeter square. Area of the, suppose it is box A, cuboidal box A, it is box B. So therefore, area of, total surface area of, surface area of cuboidal box A, is equal to 14,800 centimeter square. In the same way, box B 50, 50, 50. Length is equal to 50 centimeter, breadth is equal to 50 centimeter, height is equal to 50 centimeter. Actually here all the faces are equal. We can take cuboid also, but cube also, but here is given in the question the two boxes are cuboidal boxes. That is why we are taking here TSA of cuboid formula only. TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So when we take this one total surface area of cube 6 into side square also we getting same answer, but in the question there is given cuboidal boxes, that is why we are taken here TSA of cuboid for this box only. So because here applying that 2L means 50, all are 50s now, 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50. See, it is into, it is also into, here is into. So now applying the multiplication, 2 of 50, 50 is 2500, again here also 2500, again 2500. Okay, while adding to get 2500, 2500, 5000, 5000 it is 2 of 7500. Now the multiplication, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, no, 2 sevens are 14, 1 15 centimeters square. So you observe here both surface TSA of cuboid, cuboidal box A, box B is equal to 15,000 centimeters square. Here box A is 14,800 centimeter square, box B is 15,000 centimeter square. So that is why, but the question is given, which box require lesser amount of material, it is 14,800, it is 15,000, which is lesser? So box A. So box A requires lesser amount of material to make. So we need to make these boxes. Which box requires lesser amount of material? Box A requires lesser amount of material. Next, the second question is given a suitcase with measures 18 centimeter and 48 centimeter, 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin cloth? Width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases. We need to find how much tarpaulin cloth is needed to cover the 100 such suitcases. Okay, first of all, given measurements are given, length is equal to 80 centimeter, breadth is equal to 48 centimeter, and height is equal to 24 centimeter. So length to breadth height is there. The suitcase is the shape of cuboid. That is why we take TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 of LB plus BH plus HL is the formula. 2 of L is 80, breadth is 48 plus breadth is 48 and height is 24 plus H is 24 and L is 80. It is into. So boldly we are writing, into is thickly I am writing here. So you observe carefully. So now we have multiplication, 48 into 80. 8 8 is 64, 8 4 is 32, 32 6 38, 3840, 2 of 3840 plus 48 into 24, 4 8 is 32, 4 4 is 16, 3 19, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 81, 9, 2 7 6 10 4 15, 10 1 11. So 1152 plus 24 into 80. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. 8 twos are 16. 16 to 3, 19. 1920. 1920. Now, so 2 of 3840, 1152, 1920, addition 2, 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 10, 11, 11, 8, 19, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6912, then multiplication 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 6 are 12, 13. 13,824 centimeter square is the total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid and area of tarpaulin. Tarpaulin cloth is equal to, that is length into breadth. Your length into breadth is not given. Length into breadth is 96 centimeter square. So 96 centimeter square. Therefore, area of, TSA of, okay, area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to area of TSA of suitcase, because the tarpaulin cloth covers the suitcase. So now tarpaulin, it is length into width is 96 centimeter square, already underlined here. 96 centimeter square is the tarpaulin cloth width. It is equal to then 13,824 centimeter square. Centimeter it is. So therefore length is equal to 13,824 centimeter square by 96 centimeter. Centimeter square cancel. Now the 96 with division, here we go. 96 1000, 13,824. 96 ones are 96. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 13 minus 9 is 4. Then 2. So 96 fours are 4 6 are 24. 4 nines are 36, 2, 38. So again you get 12 minus 4 is 8. Next, here it is 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 4. So 96 fours are 384. So you get remainder 0. So we have the answer, length is equal to 144. Here it is, length is equal to 144. So here, how many meters of tarpaulin width? For one suitcase, so we need 144 centimeter. So length of tarpaulin cloth required for 100 suitcases is equal to, for 100 suitcases is equal to, we need to multiply 144 into 100, that is equal to 2 zeros, 14,400 centimeters square. While we translate this, we get 144, sorry, centimeter only, not square, centimeter. While we translate this into meters, 144 meters. 144 meters is needed to cover the 100 suitcases. Next, the question number 3. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. Here cube surface area is given. Surface area means you feel lateral surface area or total surface area. So lateral surface area is given means they are mentioned lateral surface area. Anything not mentioned means it is total surface area. Given total surface area of cube is equal to 600 centimeter square. We know the formula. Total surface area of cylinder is we know total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square. That means you learned 6a square. 6a square. So by using this formula, so 6 into side square is equal to how much is given total surface area of cube in the question 600 centimeter square. 600 centimeter square. Now side square is equal to 600 by 6. 600 by 6. So centimeter square as 6 ones are 6, 600s are. Now side square is equal to 100 centimeter square. Side square is equal to 100 centimeter square. Here side into side. Side into side. It is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So we need one side. So that is why we take a side of a cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Either it is plus or minus. Sorry, 10 centimeter. It is plus or minus. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So 10 centimeter. So while plus or minus 10 centimeter, because why I am writing plus or minus means here it is a square it is. When it's transferred to right hand square, it become a root. So we can't take root. That's why we take here plus or minus 10 centimeter. But in the value we are not take a negative number. Therefore side of a cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Clear? So next fourth question in this exercise. A rooks are painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. So how much surface area did she cover if she painted all except bottom of cabinet? So first we need to find given measurements. Given. So what is given? What we need to find? We need to find the surface area did she cover if she painted all except bottom. Okay, so we need to find that. So given measurements, so length is equal to, or it is length 2 meter, breadth is equal to 1 meter, height is equal to 1.5 meter. So height is equal to 1.5 meter, breadth is equal to 1 meter, length is equal to 2 meter is given in the question. Here total surface area, length of cabinet to breadth of cabinet, measurements of cabinet. measurements of cabinet, length of cabinet, breadth of cabinet, height of cabinet. Therefore, TSA of TSA of cabinet is equal to formula 2 of LB plus BH plus HL is the formula, but here we needed if she Ruxana painted outside of the cabinet, measure 1 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted except the bottom? Except the area of cabinet painted is equal to TSA of cabinet minus area of bottom. Area of bottom. Now TSA of cabinet is already here is given in the point 2 of LB plus BH plus HL is minus L into B, area of the base. I mean area of the bottom. That is equal to 2 into L is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter plus breadth 1, height 1.5 plus 1.5, breadth is L is 2. So it is into minus L is 2, breadth is 1. So here it is into. That is equal to 2 of 2 ones are 2 plus 1.5 ones are 1.5 plus 1.5 twos are 3 and minus 2. So 2 as this is bracket no. So now addition to get 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 no 6.5, 6.5 minus 2. Thereafter 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 1 13.0 minus 2. That is equal to 13.0 means 13 minus 2. 13 minus 2 is 11 centimeters square. So area of the cabinet she painted, area of the cabinet she painted is equal to 11 centimeters square except bottom. Except bottom. Bottom no need to paint. So next fifth question. Daniel is painted the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall. Let's observe walls, ceiling only of cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square of each can of paint. One can 100 centimeter square is possible of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint that room? For suppose here given length of a room, length of a room is equal to 15 meter, breadth of a room, breadth of a room is equal to here it is 10 meter, height of a room is equal to 7 meter. So we need to find how much cans are required. Means first of all area of the room, TSA of cuboidal room, it is a cuboid shape. That is why cuboidal room is equal to 2 of actual formula is 2 of LB plus BH plus HL, but we are not painted bottom, that's why one LB is removed, that's why LB plus 2 of BH plus HL. Did you understood here? Here I am writing 2 because bottom is not painted. Okay, now it is equal to L is 15, B is 10 plus 2, B is 10, H is 7 plus H 7 and length is 15. So now 15 tens are 150 plus 2 of 10 sevens are 70 plus 15 sevens are 105. Now addition to get 150 plus here it is 0, 175, 2 of 175. Now 2 5s are 10, 150 is as it is, plus 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 1 15, 2 1s are 2, 1 3. 350 plus 150, it is 500 centimeter square. You know that one can requires one can required to paint 100 centimeter square the area. So number of cans required to paint how many meters? 500 centimeter square. Sorry, centimeter is not, sorry, it is only meter square. Okay, only meter square. 500 meter square area. How many cans are required? It is equal to number of cans is equal to area of hall by area of one can. Area of hall by area of one. Therefore, area of hall is, you know that, so number of hall by area of can, one can. That means area of the hall is 500 centimeter square. Area of the meter square, sorry, and area of can is 100 meter square. Now meter square cancel, 100 ones are 100 fives are. Therefore, number of cans C required to paint the room is equal to 5 cans. Okay, clear?